Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to turn off public figure on Facebook page. So let's get started. Public figure on your Facebook page. So to do that, what you can do is follow some easy steps. First, open up your Facebook application and then tap on the profile icon which is on the top right. And after tapping on that, now if you want to change your public figure on your Facebook page, then what you have to do is just simply switch to your page. And after switching to your page, from here you just have to tap on the profile icon which is on the top right, and now you will find the profile section or the menu of your page. From here, what you can do is just simply open up your profile of the page, and after opening it, now you will find the three dotted icon in the right side of your screen. Just simply tap on it and then tap on edit, which is on top. After tapping on edit, now you will find this following options. From here, just simply scroll down, and here inside your details you will find the edit option. Just tap on edit, and after tapping on edit you will find the category option. Just tap on the pencil icon beside that, and here you just have to search for public figure. So what you can do is just search for public figure and you will find this option. Now if you want to turn it off, then simply uncheck that option, and after unchecking it, now you have successfully turned off your public figure. Now if you want to turn it on, then you can again tap on this option and then check this box, and that will be turned on. So that's it guys, this is how to turn off public figure on Facebook page. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.